Welcome to Natural Remedies.
Helping your baby steadily pack on the pounds during her first year of life can be tricky. Here's what to know about your baby's weight gain, how to make sure she's meeting doctor recommendations for food and weight in the appropriate month ranges, and how to keep her healthy and satisfied in the process. Newborn, 1 to 4 weeks old. Right now, your baby is more delicate than ever. A healthy baby regains his birth weight within 10 to 12 days. Baby should eat breast milk or formula. Consult your doctor if baby seems to have allergic or sensitive reactions, because it might be a result of something you are eating or the type of formula you are using. 1 month old. From now until baby is 6 months old, she will likely grow an inch a month and gain 5 to 7 ounces a week. If feeding is going well, your baby will be steadily gaining weight. Baby should eat breast milk or formula. Feeding times will be unpredictable, and it's impossible to determine how much milk breastfed babies consume at each feeding. Babies at this age should be fed 8 to 12 times a day, or about every 2 to 3 hours. 2 months old. Baby should be steadily gaining weight each week. In some cases, babies may not be suckling correctly, or you may not be giving enough milk, so meet with a lactation consultant. Baby should eat breast milk or formula. Don't attempt to introduce solid baby food until he is at least 4 months, and preferably 6 months. Doing so too soon can cause digestive problems for your child. 3 months old. At this stage, your baby will start to move away from a steady gain of about 6 ounces per week to a little less than 4 ounces. Baby should eat breast milk or formula. Feeding frequency will decrease to between 5 and 8 times a day, with breastfed babies likely eating more often than those who are formula-fed. 4 months old. Toward the end of this month, some babies may start showing signs that they are almost ready for solids. Some indicators are: he can hold his head up steady, he can sit while supported, and he's showing an interest in what you are eating. The transition from liquid to solids is a delicate one, so don't force baby to eat if he isn't ready. Baby should eat breast milk or formula. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months, so try to hold off on solids for now. 5 months old. Baby should double her newborn weight by this month. If baby is at risk for being underweight, find out what you can do to help her gain more. Baby should eat breast milk or formula, and solids for some infants. If your pediatrician agrees that it's time, go for it. If baby's clearly not interested yet, wait a week and try again. 6 months old. Starting at 6 months, a baby will grow about half an inch a month and gain 3 to 5 ounces a week. Baby should eat breast milk or formula, plus solids. If you haven't introduced them yet, now is the time. It's best to wait about 3 days in between each new food baby tries. If an allergic reaction occurs, it will be easier to identify the culprit. Diarrhea or rashes are indicators of food sensitivity. Watch the next video if your baby is older than 6 months. To get more health tips and recipes, subscribe the channel.